Yeah, hi Ankit.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I am pretty good. What about you?
Yeah, same here. I'm good. So, first of all,
Okay,
good evening.
same here.
Okay, Ankit. So, before we proceed, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Ma'am, as you know, this is Ankit Sahu. I am from Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. I am a student pursuing my Bachelor of Technology from UIT RGPV Bhopal. And I am a YouTuber and I am a learner also. That's it.
Great, Ankit. Great. So, how did this idea came in your mind that you should start a YouTube channel?
Ma'am, I love to speak. I love to share my ideas and exchange my ideas. So, ma'am, once upon a time, I was attending my classes. At that time, my ma'am called me, Ankit, it's your turn. Just start. Speak in English. At that time, oh, I was very blank. I thought, oh, what I am doing? This sort of person I am. At that time, after that, I, encouraged by that, incident, and I started my YouTube channel. But I am a very beginner. I only uploaded over there 30 to 40 videos at now.
Mhm.
My English YouTube channel name Ankit Sahu English.
Okay.
Ankit Sahu English.
English.
Yeah, ma'am, I love to speak. Yeah,
That's
that's the
very
point
nice of
mainly.
you. You are speaking so well, Ankit. So, how many days or how many months you took to reach at the level you are today?
Okay, ma'am, you won't believe. Actually, I belong to completely Hindi medium, and in my family, there is no one who can speak fluently. What I got this fluency only is within 6 months.
Great.
Yeah.
That's very much great. So you do converse with different people like you are doing right now.
No, no, ma'am. It's my second virtual conversation. Yeah,
Is it?
yeah.
That's so great. That's so great. You are doing so well. Matlab, in such a short span of time, you are doing such a great thing. This is so nice of
Thank
you.
you.
So, have you taken any kind of classes? Like nowadays, there is a craze in people of Clappingo and Cambly and many other apps. So, have you
Yeah.
also used those?
No, not at all. I haven't used, but I'm thinking like, and as you start this series to communicate with people without any cost, I also think like that because I want a public speaker.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's all about, I think, I think that I, see the things. It's all about the practice, your passion, your perseverance, how much passion you have to
Yes,
learn
yes.
something.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. See, English is a very easy language. It's not so tough.
yeah.
See,
But in our society,
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
please go on.
No, you tell me, complete, please.
Okay. In our society, ma'am, this is a very big myth or biased thing. If you know English, then you are supposed to be very good, very, respectable person. But I don't think like that. It's just a language. It's a way to convey our other people to convince other one. It's not any kind of big deal that we can't easy to digest. You
True,
know.
true. It's
Yeah.
very much true. Same. I think that English is just a language. It's not that big as people has made it. It's just a
Yeah.
mode of communication. It's just a method of conveying message to the other person. Yes, English is an international language. Almost 90% of countries uses this language. There's still so many countries who don't prefer English. If we talk about
Yeah.
German,
China.
Japanese, they don't even bother about English. But still 90% of the countries prefer English. So this is a good thing. This is a good thing that we people are starting to learn English. We people are starting
Yeah.
speaking English. This is very good. And YouTube has given such a great platform to the people. Like, we are communicating with each other. We don't know each other, but still
Yeah.
we have something in common. We both are learners. We both want to practice English. So it's a great platform. We should use it. And actually, I am also inspired by the people who are using this kind of practice. See, when I
Yeah.
started, I went through so many YouTubers videos. There I got this idea that this is such a great platform. We can
Yeah.
practice with each other without spending any penny. Or it's really giving us a great confidence.
Definitely.
Yes, yes, yes. So what did you tell? Where are you from?
Ma'am, I am from Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal.
You are from Bhopal.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Capital
So
of MP.
yes, 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 I am aware about that. So
Okay.
how's the COVID situation in Bhopal or MP?
Okay, ma'am. Bunch of days before the situation was out of control, but now all kind of facilities, all kind of staff is seeming like under control.
Okay.
And today I heard the news. That was the news about COVID-19, where my MPCM told about all the situation is out of under control. There is no need to panic. There is no need to rush.
Yes,
Just
yes.
stay at home. Just take precaution. Just obey the protocols.
True.
There is no worry. You
Yes,
can
yes.
you can't take. Yeah.
True, true. So have you been vaccinated?
No, ma'am. But as soon as I'm gonna.
Okay, okay. So have you registered at the website Covin?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's good. So did you try to book a slot for you?
Yeah, but ma'am, today morning I tried to book my slot, but there is no seat available. So I will try
There is shortage of
tomorrow.
vaccine in many states.
Yeah,
Today
yeah,
I
and
was listening to the news. There I heard that in Delhi, I think vaccination has been stopped. In Maharashtra, vaccination has been stopped. 18 to 45 years of people. So nowadays, country is facing this kind of shortage also, that we are running out of
yeah.
vaccine. Hmm.
And other thing is that, ma'am, people are also very eager to to get vaccinated. So we can mention this point also,
Yes,
because I'm not just judging you. I'm just saying by my own point.
yes, yes.
Just people only mentioning the government fault,
Mm-hmm.
only government fault. But we have to take care of other point also. Just
Right.
people are very eager to
Mm-hmm.
get vaccinated
Mm-hmm.
because they are very aware. Just suppose me, just like me, I also very eager to get vaccinated. Why not? Because it's our duty. We are Indians.
Yes.
If we are getting vaccinated, it means you first of all you take care. After other thing is that you can take care of our family member,
True,
something like
true,
that.
true. Yes, yes. By being vaccinated, we are safeguarding ourselves and our society also.
Yeah,
Yes, yes. Nowadays, other many disease are coming. Today, I was hearing about black fungus, white fungus.
yeah,
So, see, whenever
very
we saw
sorrow.
news, whenever we listen to the news, all these things sometimes makes us
Happening
feel
over
very
there.
bad, you know.
Yeah, scary, ma'am.
Yes, it's very
Not only
scary.
bad but also scary.
True,
Scary.
true. Situation is going out of hands nowadays.
Yeah.
Right. So what are your hobbies, Ankit?
Okay, it's a very simple question for me.
You
Because
tell
ma'am,
me, then
yeah.
I'll you tell me, then I'll ask you question on that. Then you say it's very simple. See,
Okay,
we
ma'am.
are here to converse about the things. So we
Yeah,
should definitely take a topic on which we can speak. So tell me the hobbies.
Because, okay, ma'am, first of all, I love to play chess.
Wow.
Basically, I'm a singer. I'm a singer,
Oh.
but take me as a homie singer,
Homie
singer,
singer.
bathroom singer.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not professional. I'm not professional,
But
but
it's
I
still
know
good.
how to play harmonium.
Oh.
I know how to play harmonium, how to play mouth organ also.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's
Yeah.
good. So,
Uh,
have you ever tried professionally this thing? Like, have you ever sang in your school or any of the program?
no, never ever.
So, there is any specific reason that you didn't try in your school program or college fest?
Ma'am, because my I started my journey of music bunch of months before only.
Okay.
It has
Okay.
been only 6 to 7 months.
Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah.
And then how did you come to know about it that there is a singer inside you?
I don't know, ma'am. Actually, in my neighbor, not neighbor, my cousin is also singer.
Okay.
He is 8 year old. He is 8 year old.
8.
But I inspired.
Okay.
Yeah, 8 year old, and I inspired by him because he is just a very, what to say, fantastic singer. And you can imagine, you can't imagine his finger, what to say, run very fastly on harmonium key. So I got inspired from there.
So he is
Yeah.
learning playing harmonium, or he has tried himself, your cousin?
No, he's taking classes, music classes. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Very nice. So singing is your hobby. What else?
Yeah. What else? I love to invest in stock market.
Can you please
Yeah,
tell me
it's my
something
hobby.
about stock market? Because I have heard a lot about stock market, that people makes money out of the stock market, and sometime they lose also. So what exactly it is? I don't know.
Okay, it's a very vast topic. It's not possible to narrate all these things, but
Okay.
okay, in simple words, I can say it's just all about the trading. Okay, where you fetch share, you buy, and you sell. That's all. That is the main point you have to take
Okay.
care of. Other thing is that when people only just simple way say that I earn this type of money, I earn lots of money, but sometimes it's all about the fate, it's all about the fortune.
Okay. Okay.
Other thing is that first of all you have to keep in mind lots of point
Hmm.
how it is working,
Hmm.
and in future how it will is going to happen, you know so in this way we can know about stock market, but it's not possible to narrate
Okay.
all
Okay.
these things over
Yeah,
here.
because it's just
Sorry.
it's a very big thing. It's a
Yeah,
very
but
big
I
industry
narrated.
actually. Hmm.
Yeah, but I narrated it's all about the trading.
It's all about trading. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's good. That's good. So,
Mhm.
are you a commerce related person, or your maths is good that
No,
you have gone in
my
that direction?
ma'am, actually my what to say means stream is science.
Okay.
I'm pursuing with mechanical engineering,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know why this type of businessman has been awoken in in
Okay.
myself. I don't know why.
Okay, okay. No, it happens. It happens. Everyone has something different within him or herself. So this can be one of the thing. It's not necessary. Okay, one day I was listening to Chetan Bhagat interview. So
Okay.
he used to be a banker. He used to work in Yes Bank somewhere in Singapore, or anywhere, I don't know the location, but he used to be
Mm-hmm.
outside India and working in a Yes Bank as a great banking job. But see, he was not interested in that job. He is a IIM pass out. He's such a reputed person, but his preference was to write novels. He was a
Yeah.
writer from inside. So he left that job and he started writing. And look, now everyone know Chetan Bhagat. Everyone.
Yeah. I also
Starting
checked
from,
out a whole
yes,
book.
I also read all his novels.
Yeah.
So it's not about that what we learn or what we do. It's inside there is a person inside us who is different, who wants to do
Yeah.
something else. So I was very inspired by Chetan Bhagat's story, that you
Okay.
should follow your dream. It's not like that he has done IIM, he has done MBA from such a big university, from such a big college, and now he's writing the books.
Yeah. He is
Right.
not only a IIM person, but also IITian.
He's IITian also.
Yeah, he
He's a
got
great
passed
personality.
from IIT Delhi. IIT
IIT.
Delhi.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Because
Yeah.
I am very obsessed with that person.
Okay. He has
Yeah.
such a great writing skills, no doubt. I have.
Recently, I completed.
Tell me.
Recently, I completed the book that has been authored by Chetan Bhagat to 5 point to someone. You know.
5 points to someone. I think I have
Yeah.
not read that book.
If
I
I am
have.
not wrong. If I am not wrong.
And there was a
Yeah.
book, that 3 mistakes of my life,
Okay.
a
Can I
night
show
in a
you
call.
if you don't mind?
Yeah, sure.
This is the book.
5 points someone.
Five.
Oh.
Yeah. And then this book all about the means, in this book, you will find lots of things we have to take care, we should carry in mind while pursuing our life.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's why he writes very good. Actually, and see, all of his books have number titles. Have you ever noticed?
Yeah.
3, 5, half, 1 day, 1 day in a call center, something like that.
Yeah. One arranged murder.
Yes. One arranged murder. This is recently launched.
Yeah.
In last year, I think June. Yes. So anything
If you know
else?
about the,
Tell me.
if
Sorry.
you know about three Idiot movie, that movie based on this book. Based on this
5
book.
points. Okay. 3 Idiot is such a nice movie.
Yeah.
Very great movie. I have seen that movie so many times, like this 3 Idiots and the PK. I like these movies a lot.
But we don't means bore by this movies. Don't get bored.
No, never.
Yeah.
These movies always gives us that fresh feeling.
Yeah. Cheerfulness.
Yes. So, Ankit, anything else you wanna ask, or we should call it for the day?
Okay, ma'am, I have a question, ma'am. I'm facing lots of problem while pronouncing the word. So how can I handle the situation? Please let me know.
See, Ankit, when it comes to the pronunciation part, I am also very far behind, because as you know that I am from Haryana. So whenever I speak English in Haryanvi. So
Okay.
yes, I speak English in Haryanvi because this is my Haryanvi is my mother tongue. I have always spoken Haryanvi, not even Hindi. So these kind of challenges are faced by me also, but there are so many apps which help us in improving our pronunciation. So you can use those apps. Even you can use that Google audio part. That is helping me a lot. Whenever you write something on Google and then press that audio icon, so it pronounces that word for us. So I am using that method, so you can also try.
Okay.
And nowadays you have started conversing with people, so this is the best way to be fluent.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes, you are doing such a great job. You are speaking so well. The way you deliver the things, it's really very nice.
Thank you. It's my honor.
Yes, see, when we speak Hindi is our mother tongue. When we speak Hindi, there are fluctuation in speaking. So we should try to bring those emotions in English also. So when you speak, you deliver sentences with That is only. So I like the way you
Okay.
speak. I like the way you speak.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, expression. I can see those expression at your face. So you are doing a great job. Keep doing it. And nowadays you have started speaking to the people. Then now you can see the change in yourself in just 1 month. Actually, if you see my channel, I started my journey 1 month ago only, and now I speak to different people. Now in a day, on an average, I speak to 2 or 3 people every day. So when we speak to the people, we get to know so many things. Sometimes they speak so good sentences, sometimes they speak very simple sentences. So this is very nice habit. You just keep on practicing, you just keep on speaking to the people on daily basis.
Okay.
Yes. And
Definitely.
have you
I will
tried
try.
that app Hello?
No, but I have used the app named Speak English, if you know about it.
Speak English, I have not heard. What is
Yeah,
that?
you can search upon the Google.
Okay.
Over you will find app, Speak English app,
Hmm.
and the app based on what to say pay. It is a paid application, but 1 hour they give us to spend free or no free of cost.
Okay.
So I'm spending my 1 hour over there, but right now I'm not using.
Okay.
Because ma'am, when I was very beginner or very teenager in English,
Hmm.
at that time I started. Over there, I got to know lots of things, how to convey people, how to put our view, judgmental view, or some theoretical view. Sometimes we have to put ridiculous thinking as well.
True.
Yeah, otherwise the people who is talking to us is not gonna convince.
True.
Yeah,
So
but right
you can.
now
Tell me.
I'm not using, because over there only a beginner, this app all about the beginner who
So
is
it's
very
okay. It's
yeah,
okay.
so
You
that is
have
why.
gone through that stage. Now you have come 1 or 2 level up. So you should practice accordingly. It's very nice. But I'll
Yeah.
suggest you to use Hello app. It's completely free of
Okay.
cost. And here we can speak to the native speaker, sorry, we can.
Okay.
Yes. So I also speak 1 or 2 two people over there, so you can try that app also. It's helping us a lot.
Okay. Because
Yes.
currently I'm using other one app, Speak Peak, if you know about it.
No.
Speak Peak,
Okay.
that all based on the foreigner. You will
Mhm.
find only foreigner people over there. So
Okay.
I love.
Okay. That is
Nowadays
also
I'm
free or that is paid?
no, yeah, it's all about the free.
It's
It's all
free.
about for one
Okay.
hour. Only
For
for
one
one
hour.
hour.
Okay, only for 1 hour. It's free. Then it's okay. It's okay. It's nice. So anything else, Ankit, or we should call it for the day?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am, in lastly, I would like to rectify my mistakes, what I did in front of you. So please let me know. It would
See,
be very,
Ankit, you are making good sentences. See, I am at also the same level as you are, to be very frank. I am also practicing like you practicing. So I told you that you are making very good sentences. You are taking care of grammar part also when you speak. It's all about fluency. You are, according to me, you are good in grammar, you are good in making sentences. Even you are using vocabulary very fine. You have worked so much at vocabulary part also.
yeah.
Yes, I can see that in our conversation. So you are doing very good job, Ankit. You just need to practice. You keep practicing with the different people. You will get to learn so many things from them.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Because I love to learn with my problems, with my obstacles, what I am
Yes.
doing.
True.
We are just a human being, so just first of all we have to behave like that, then rectify ourselves.
So actually this was the only reason that I started posting videos on the YouTube. We speak, we learn many things, but when we speak we don't know what mistakes we have made. So that's why I started
Yeah.
making videos, and I started reviewing them, that what all mistakes I am making. So it's helping us a lot. Whenever, even when I put my videos on the YouTube, I watch them again and again, that okay, I had made this mistake here and I had made this mistake here. So YouTube is a very great platform actually.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
So
okay.
Ankit, our Zoom meeting is going to over because I had set only
Okay.
30
Okay.
minutes time. So
Okay.
it's nice
That
talking
was a
to you.
wonderful. Same here. That's a wonderful conversation with you, which we had.
Same
Another
here.
thing is that your fluency, ma'am, if I talk about your feedback, your fluency is also good. As you said, you belong to Haryana, so there are lots of work to be done. I'm not
Yes.
judging.
No,
Don't mistake
it's
otherwise.
true, and I know that.
Yeah.
And I take your feedback as a suggestion. It's good for me. So please tell
Yeah.
me.
And other thing is that you are making sentences in a right way, but I'm not suggesting. I'm not any kind of
No,
mentor
no,
who can
no,
suggest
no.
you.
You are most welcome. Please tell
What
me.
what you should gather some vocabulary that can make your means conversation make very interesting as well as very impressive. Okay,
Yes.
just people use bunch of things, bunch
Mm-hmm.
of minutes, couple of minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of this, we can say lots of things, but bunch of things is just a very impressive word.
Impressive word, right?
Yeah, so like this we should take we took up as much as we can.
Yes, you are right. You are
Yeah.
right. And I admire you that you have given me a good suggestion. Thank you so much. I going to use it in my whole life, and I'll start from today only.